Hello, welcome everybody. This is Primoz Lazar here with Pablo, Gonzalez. So we are here in my business program, the program that I have designed to help the entrepreneurs to grow their businesses, to have great, strong foundations so they can increase their business performance.
My brand is really all about representing the ability to grow through others, right? So the importance of building your network, human connection, and creating community. That all leads to growth, right? So growing your influence, growth hacking, and then also a big part of human connection is that it's one of the biggest sources of happiness and fulfillment. So happiness and fulfillment are also parts of my brand characteristics. So really my long-term goal is to prove to the world that the future of business development is community creation. Good. In order to do that, I need to create a revenue stream that will do two things for me. Number one, allow me to live and reinvest in marketing to grow my personal brands. And two, I need to be able to monetize these things that I am preaching about. So to break down those milestones a little bit, right? We talked, July and August would be all about making sure that thing I'm delivering is very good. Then the next 6 months for me, the next 4 months for me, 4 to 6 months, I guess, is going to be to land an average of 1 client per month. And that's the next phase, right? The next 4 clients, it's about growing a team with that revenue. And then after that, it's going to be bringing in as many clients as possible for the following year after that. Now what I've realized is my ideal client is somebody that has a service-based business and is establishing or has established a personal brand. My product is called BYOC, Build Your Own Community. And the high level of it is, if you can organize your customer base into a community and bond them to each other, and then create some kind of stage that you can leverage for the good of that community and for the good of your business. So the first thing we need to do is look at what impact you're trying to create, right? Like, what is your message? Who are the people that you serve? Once we figure that out, then we design a program that is able to bring those people together and get your message out. Right now, the stuff that's slowing me down the most is looking through the things that we've already done, looking through the content and organizing it in a way that's easy to distribute. After that, and a personal assistant that will be setting up my appointments and managing my calendar and stuff like that so I can show up and deliver.
Okay, regarding to sales for your business, it's not that complicated, because your job is to get only 1 sale a month, happening, It's not like 1 sale a day, and then you need to do as many blah, blah, blah every day. But if you want to get 1 client a month in, you already said that you will expand your network.
I would say, my normal go-to move is when I meet people, I tell them that I am working on proving that community creation is the future of business development, and then they want to know more, right? And then they get into that. My pitch would say, are you trying to grow your personal brand, and are you having issues creating content around it? Yes or no? Do you feel that now that you've become, this big deal, you're getting all these big client contracts, but you really want to get your knowledge more out there and increase your impact? I don't know, right? Like I've kind of told you this before, and I'm a little ashamed of it, but I'm a world-class opener and a mediocre closer, bro. So yeah, I think my close would, the close would be, when are we going to get started scaling your impact? When are we going to get started creating a recurring revenue stream for you, man, so you don't have to live and die with all these $20,000, $30,000. Basically what I preach, man, I want to get on other people's stages. I think stages are the most valuable things in the world, right? So my marketing channels right now are get on as many podcasts as I can so as many people hear about me as possible, and go to conferences. Those are really my 2 main marketing channels. If you're going to build a business around doing something you love doing within that business, or else go get a job. And that is what I have pushed really, really hard against, my parents thinking I'm crazy, my wife thinking, I don't know if we have enough runway to do this, my friends thinking, dude, you're so talented, why don't you just go get a $150,000 a year salary? And it's really, that has been my driving motivator, is that I really do believe that you can, I think there's 4 steps to success. 1, figure out something that you're really good at, that you really love doing. 2, figure out how to use that to serve others. 3, figure out how to monetize that when you're serving others. And 4, build a business around it.
So how did you enjoy, guys, the conversation between me and Pablo? I think that was a ton of value, and I think that he's got a clear vision, and I believe that we are onto something. I hope that you enjoyed this session, and I'll see you soon. Follow me and Pablo, and let's make it happen together. See you soon. Bye-bye.